Hi, I'm Dia, and I go to Bret Hart Middle School, and this is my first milestone for my intensive project, the Smart Walking Stick, which is a walking stick to help the visually impaired. I chose this project because it seems like a very helpful thing to be in the real world. And for my first milestone, I put together the circuit board I needed for this project, and also wrote the program to have this buzzer and this vibration motor be triggered when the ultrasonic sensor reads a certain distance. So as a demonstration, right now, the ultrasonic sensor is far from any objects or obstacles, so the buzzer and the vibration motor aren't giving any sort of warning. But as soon as I put my hand in front of it, you can hear the sound of this beeping, and this motor is vibrating pretty intensely. So my program, first, I had to define all the pins to where my components were connected to. And then I set my ultrasonic trigger pin as the output and the echo pin as the input. And the way the ultrasonic sensor works is that the trigger pin sends out high frequency sound waves, and as soon as it hits an object, it bounces back to the ultrasonic sensor and is received by the echo pin. So in my first loop, I had the trig pin emit some sound waves and then had it be received by the echo pin. And then the echo pin calculates the duration of time that it took for the sound wave to bounce back. And then by using the speed of sound, it's able to calculate the distance of the object. Next, over here, I set an if-else condition. So if the distance of the ultrasonic sensor is 25 centimeters or less, then it sets off the vibration motor and the buzzer. So some challenges I faced were at the beginning, I didn't quite understand how to write the program, but I was able to watch some tutorials and figure it out. And then I also wired some of my components incorrectly. For example, I connected them to the wrong pins, and that caused me to have to do some rewiring. My next steps will be to actually mount my circuit board onto my walking stick and test out different positions and how it works out altogether.